Love, in this context, love refers to the deep emotional connection and affection that exists between individuals. It encompasses not only romantic love but also love in friendships, familial relationships, and any form of meaningful connection between people. This simple word establishes love as the subject of the sentence, indicating that the quote is making a direct statement about the essence of love. Quivering, the word quivering suggests a subtle, delicate, and tremulous quality. It evokes the idea that love is not a static or fixed state but a dynamic and ever-changing one. Love can be gentle and nuanced, like the quiver of a leaf in a soft breeze. It is a feeling that can be delicate and sensitive. Happiness represents a positive and joyful emotional state. By associating love with happiness, Gibran highlights the idea that love brings immense joy and fulfillment. Love is a source of happiness, and it has the power to uplift and enrich one's life.